Hello ladies, you're welcome back again to Time with Josie's. As you all know, I'm your girl Cynthia. If today is your first time on this channel, you're welcome. Please hit on the subscribe button. I will really be grateful for that. Today we're making chicken vegetable stir fry pasta. Yes, I know you don't want to miss out on this recipe. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So these are the ingredients we need. Of course, pasta. Then we'll also need cabbage. I'm going to be using this spring onion, broccoli. Then I'll be using this barbecued chicken from our last shawarma video. Okay, I'll be using tomato, green bell pepper, orange bell pepper. I'll be using carrots and scotch bonnets. I'll be using these 2 chicken bouillon cubes, curry, vegetable oil, Italian seasoning. You can use this for both pizza and pasta. It's very, very good. Of course, you know, my chicken stock. Salt, this hot chili sauce, okay, soya sauce. Okay, so these are the ingredients we'll be using for this. So the first thing I'll do is to slice my cabbage like this. So the next thing, I'm just going to chop the chicken into tiny pieces. Then also I'm going to slice my tomatoes into these shapes like this. This is it. So we'll be using this our ever ready Electa modeling slicer. Okay, so it's finally chopped our carrots to this shape. So the next thing, I'm also going to use the slicer for my green pepper. Okay, this is what I got. I really didn't like it, so I will do something else. I used it for the pepper, which was okay. So I'm going to boil egg for my kids, and then I'm going to use my steamer for the cabbage and the broccoli. So I'm going to put the broccoli, and the cabbage. Then I'm just going to steam it for like 2 minutes. Okay. So the next thing is to boil pasta, which we popularly know as spaghetti. So this is how I boil my spaghetti. Then I just allow the water heat a little, then I add my salt and my vegetable oil. Okay, then I cover it and allow it to boil before I add my spaghetti. So for my cabbage and broccoli, this is what I want. So it's soft enough for me. So you don't want it to be very, very soft. You still want to seal your broccoli and your cabbage. So it's time to add our pasta to our water. So I'm going to also steam my carrots just a little. So now before the pasta gets very soft, so I always add onion. Try this, guys, try this recipe. I believe you are going to love it. Okay, so this is how, because I love onions. I love the smell of onions. I also do this for my white rice too. So it's ready. So I'm just going to sieve the water out. So the next thing is time to fry our vegetable, stir fry, so we're not going to let it become too soft. So the first is to fry our onions. So I'm just going to stir and leave it for some time before adding my garlic and ginger paste. Okay, so I'm just going to add my garlic and ginger paste and stir in. I add my chicken, my green and orange bell pepper, Scotch bonnet, our pepper hot chili. So I just stir in tomato, then I just cover for 1 minute. Then we'll add our curry, Italian seasoning, spring onions, hot sauce, hot chili sauce, carrots, cabbage, so I just add my chicken stock, then chicken bouillon cube, then salt, and stir in, then add our pasta and broccoli. So then we add our soya sauce, then we stir, then our chicken vegetable stir fry pasta is ready. So my kids are going to testify about it.
This is real good. Yeah. I love it. This combination is real good. I like the broccoli. Don't forget to subscribe, that's what she said. And don't forget to like and leave a comment below. And my sister saying nothing. This is tasty. You should try this at home. You see that? So I love this combination. It's new. It's a new recipe. Because you love it, guys, subscribe to the channel and click on.
All right, guys, my kids have said it all. Okay, in addition to that, don't forget to drop your comment and don't forget to hit on the bell notification icon so that you will be alert whenever I drop my video. Until we see you again, bye.